At Natco School of Learning, managed by Hippocampus, every day begins with energy, discipline, and a promise of transformation. A promise made possible through our partnership with Hippocampus. From the youngest learners in vibrant classrooms to curious minds exploring innovative activities, our journey begins with a love for learning. Here, education goes beyond the classroom, encouraging students to lead, collaborate, and thrive in every field.
I like my school. The teachers in my school teach very well. The teaching method in our school is varied and is explained in a way that we can understand through some curricular activities. Our teachers are more like mentors and friends. They listen to us, understand our problems and guide us with patience. This friendly environment makes learning stress-free and enjoyable. Knowing that our teachers care about our well-being makes a big difference.
As the Year Spirit program lead, I have seen drastic changes in students' spoken English skills in writing and listening. So it helps them a lot in their daily conversation, and then it is also helping them from transition from their home language to formal language, and parents also feeling so proud and happy.
Can you see this? This was a book review, and this was written by a student when he or she get a grip on a subject, a particular story. So they will write this in our Dear Period program. So this Dear program was a program, the first 10 minutes or like 20 minutes we have a period of studying books. And we also have a level system named Grow By, and this was set according to the child's knowledge and their talent of reading.
Being a grade 10 student is so challenging. But HLC's revision program, intensive slip test, also help us to solve our problems daily and boost our confidence. After this, the structural revision plan, which has implemented in grade 10, will further help us to prepare for mock exams with past papers. My mother is so confident that in this system, I don't need any external tuitions and classes.
The skills which were enhanced are their problem-solving skills, competency-based skills, analytical thinking skills, etc. So as the skills have been progressed, they know how to manage the time while writing the exams.
Science Life provides a hands-on experience to the children. Okay, and through this, children are going to foster their understanding in the science concept. By doing the hands-on experience, they are going to ignite the curiosity and the innovation in their science subject.
After all 6 years of time, we got a new subject by Hippocampus, and the name of the subject is CSP. We have Sudokus and algorithms. These all topics are related to computational thinking, and we are using our logical mind here in this particular topic.
CSP subject is very useful for us in many ways, such as for operating computers, and also we can get much knowledge about the puzzle solving skills.
Learning coach regularly observes and provides constructive feedback, helping us to refine our teaching methods. Recognition through awards at teacher meets motivates us further.
At Natco School of Learning, managed by Hippocampus, co-curricular activities integrated into classrooms included student council and clubs play a pivotal role in shaping students into well-rounded individuals. These initiatives focus on boosting confidence, instilling responsibility, and building 21st century skills like creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking.
Hippocampus Learning Centers have arranged many online competitions like quiz competitions, meta AI story writing competitions, etc. And they encourage us to participate more in online events. They are futuristic and they help us to get more potential knowledge, etc.
I అయితే ఈ పాఠశాల అనేది ప్రారంభం నుంచే CBSE సిలబస్ తో ప్రారంభించారు. అంటే కేవలం ఈ పాఠశాల ఉద్దేశం అనేది మనకి ఈ గ్రామీణ ప్రాంతంలో వాళ్ళకి ఉచితంగా విద్య నేర్పాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో చైర్మన్ సార్ గారు దీన్ని ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ పాఠశాలలో కేవలం విద్యతో పాటుగా అదనపు పాఠ్యాంశాలుగా క్రీడ అంటే జిల్లా, రాష్ట్ర, కేంద్ర స్థాయిలో అంటే సెంట్రల్ లెవెల్లో కూడా క్రీడా స్ఫూర్తి కలిగించి ఎంతో మంది విద్యార్థులు నేషనల్ సర్టిఫికేట్ సంపాదించి వారి యొక్క భవిష్యత్తుని బంగారం చేస్తున్నారని చెప్పేసి చెప్పడానికి మేమంతా గర్విస్తున్నాము.
For primary grade children, we introduce PE card activities, improve their agility, balance, coordination, and their basic game skills. For grades high school children, volleyball, softball, kho-kho, kabaddi, cricket, and athletics. Along with that, every Saturday we have mass drill period and club activities to improve their physical fitness levels. Then we have every class yoga periods to improve their mental health.
यहाँ तो 7 ईयर से कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. बच्चे भी बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं, हार्ड वर्क भी करते हैं, बहुत अचीवमेंट भी देते हैं. ये तो NCC के बच्चे बहुत अच्छा सारा हार्ड वर्क करते हैं. दो कैंप में जाने से तब ड्रिल क्या वेपन ट्रेनिंग क्या तो भी बहुत अच्छा तरह से करते हैं. ये सरोनी में कहाँ भी NCC का स्कूल नहीं है, वो तो Natco स्कूल को मिल गया था. थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग.
So through this training course, the children able to learn that physical leadership qualities, self-confidence, team building, and helping the society through their communication. They will improve their communication skills, the importance of that service.
Hello everyone, myself Shanmukha. I have completed my schooling in this school and it's an awesome journey in this school. When I was studying this school makes me to speak towards the people who are standing in front of me and it makes the stage fear out of me. So this is a strong pillar which makes me to talk to the people on the stages.
నేను మా చిన్న పాప అండి, మా పెద్ద పాప 6th చదువుతుంది, నాట్కో స్కూల్లోనే చదువుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు నాట్కో స్కూల్ వాళ్ళు హిప్పోకాంపస్కి హ్యాండ్ ఓవర్ చేశారు కదా, ఇంకా చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ కనపడుతుంది. ఈ స్కూల్లో మా పిల్లలు నర్సరీ నుండి చదువుతున్నారు, కానీ ఇంతవరకు కూడా మాకు ఎటువంటి తేడా లేకుండా టీచర్స్ కానీ ఇక్కడ స్కూల్లో చెప్పే విధానం కానీ చాలా బాగుందండి. అందుకని మేము ఇక్కడ నుంచి మారలేకపోతున్నాము. మారదామని ఒకసారి ఒపీనియన్ వచ్చినా కానీ మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి డ్రాప్ అయిపోయాం. ఎందుకంటే పిల్లలు కూడా ఇక్కడ నుంచి మేము వెళ్ళమని చెప్పేస్తున్నారు, అంత బాగా చెప్తున్నారు అన్నమాట.
నా పేరు మౌనిక. మా ఇద్దరు పిల్లలు ఇక్కడ నాట్కోలోనే జాయిన్ అయ్యారండి. UKG నుంచి కంటిన్యూ అవుతున్నారు ఇక్కడ. చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగుంది. ఎంత బాగుందంటే పేరెంట్స్ లాగా ఉన్నారు టీచర్స్ కూడా. ఫీల్డ్ ట్రిప్స్ అని, యాక్టివిటీస్ అని, భరతనాట్యం, కరాటే అన్నిట్లో మా అమ్మాయి కరాటేలో కూడా అదేమంటారు దాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యింది, పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసింది, సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యింది. చాలా బాగుందండి, మాకు చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది.
I'm lucky to have this school in this locality, Golmu department. My children are so studying here. I am 2016 and 17 batch. But now 2024, these changes, so many changes are came now. This Hippocampus taken.
NSTEL fosters a strong sense of responsibility among the teachers. The monthly meetings we are conducting help us to discuss the challenges and the solutions for them. It is a place where we can feel that we are encouraged and supported. We feel it's a good place to work.
At Natco School of Learning, we want the child to enjoy every minute, and Hippocampus has always stressed on child-centric learning. You can see that in the classrooms. We don't teach them what we want to teach. We teach them what they love, and you can see the smile on the face. We want the students to become what they want to, so that they could give the society the best. We want the students to be confident and achieve what they want to achieve, and listen to their heart and fly away from their alma mater.